Hello friends, welcome to Dragon E-commerce. I'm the CEO of Dragon E-commerce, 𝗍𝗵𝗆. Hope all of you are doing great, and today we are going to discuss that how we can use the tool Helium 10 to hunt the part. I have already told you that how you can hunt products to sell on Amazon in a basic way, and if you want to use the paid tools to hunt the product and you want to save your time, then you can use multiple tools. Helium is one of them. So let's proceed with it. You have to log in your Helium tool. You will need to get the subscription of this tool before you use. So just log in this tool after purchasing the subscription if you want to. Otherwise, you can just hunt the pod manually. I have also uploaded the video in the previous lecture that how you can hunt the product manually using the negative string, using the category, and using the brand to brand store hunting. So let's proceed with this Helium tool, that how we use this Helium tool to hunt the product to sell on Amazon. So just you have to get this subscription of this tool, and then you have to log in this tool. You will see this page. Then you have to click on black box. This is the this is the option which we use to hunt the product on Amazon. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on black box, and then you have to click on advanced to get more options, more filters. So if you are going to sell your product in Amazon USA, you have to select from here Amazon.com market. If you want to sell your product in Canada and you want to hunt product for your Canada market, then you have to click on this link. And also if you want to sell in Germany, then you have to click on this, and same for other markets. First of all, if you want to select the specific category in which you want to sell and the product you want to hunt, you can select the category from here. For example, I want to sell in baby category. I will just select from here the baby products. What will be the benefit of this filter? When I will click on search, this tool will show me only the products that are listed on Amazon in the category of babies. The second is competitors. In competitors, number of sellers. It means that how many sellers are on a single listing. Let me show you what does it mean. If you go to Amazon.com and you search any product, for example camera, and you open the listing and you scroll it down, if you see here, this seller is selling this product. The seller name is written here. This is the brand name who is selling this product, but two other sellers are also selling this same product. So this is called that how many sellers are on the single listing. So I just set that the maximum number of sellers should be 2 on the single listing. How many sales in a sales tab, how many price, it's mean how much price, sorry, that show me the products who are being sold with the maximum price of 20. Means that show me those products in the baby category with maximum number of sellers too, who has a maximum price 20. And the monthly revenue means that the seller who is selling the product, how much he is making monthly. So I will just set its monthly revenue minimum 5,000 USDT. And here is the review rating. Review rating means that how much rating the seller should have. So I just put here 4.5, and these are enough. Well, you can also select the fulfillment, that Amazon is selling the product, show me those products in baby category who is being sold by Amazon or being listed by FBA or FBM, as I have already cleared that what does mean by FBA or what does mean by FBM. And also you can decide the best seller rank. Let's put that let's proceed with the 40,000. I just say that show me the products in the baby categories who has a maximum number of sellers on a single listing too. Maximum, the maximum price of the listing should be 20. A monthly revenue should be 5,000 minimum, and review rating should be minimum 4.5 because this is a good sign, and best seller rank should be 40,000. And then I just click on search tab. Okay, now this tool giving us the data of lot of sellers who are selling the baby products. All of these products are from baby products, so this tool save a lot of time of us. The price of the sellers is less than 20. If you see, the seller is selling this product with a price of 9.90, this seller is selling this product with a price of 13.99 and so on. And this is the BSR, best seller rank, and the monthly revenue. All of these sellers have the monthly revenue greater than 5,000, rating is greater than 4.5, and the number of sellers are less than 2. So from here we can also get an idea that what type of products are being sold on Amazon in the category of babies. So this tool is very helpful to hunt the hot selling products to sell on Amazon. So when you will have this tool and you want to hunt a good product, you have to follow these steps. For example, I want to check in a different category, I want to hunt in a kitchen category or in home appliances. Then what I have to do, you just have to follow the same steps. Just go to your Helium 10, log in it, then you have to go to black box, select the marketplace, go to advanced, then select the category. For example, in books, number of sellers maximum 2, maximum price should be 20. The price you can manage according to your budget. If you have high budget, like you want to start selling on Amazon with a budget of $50,000, $60,000, then you can just say here, I want to see those sellers who are selling their products under the price of $200. Minimum review rating 4.5. Also you can proceed with the 5. If you will put here the 5, this tool will show you only those sellers who has the ratings minimum 5. So just click on search. Also you can put the monthly revenue from here. This is very easy to use. This tool is very user friendly. Now see, all of these sellers has a price under 200. This person is selling this product with the price of 102. This person is selling this product with the price of 164, and reviews are more than 4.5 ratings, and maximum number of sellers are 2. And now you can just shortlist the product from these products that what you want to sell on Amazon. If you get my point and you learned something about product hunting using the paid tool Helium 10, and if you have any question regarding this lecture, do not hesitate to ask. I will love to answer. Thank you so much.